Namaste to you guys and welcome. Today I want to speak about the law of attraction and how to really raise our frequency in order to get what we want. And before starting, I want to mention the fact that if you are new to the YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment. And if you wish to be part of my spiritual podcast called Constantly Awakening, feel free to send me a message. Also, if you wish to work with me and get to know yourself in a more spiritual way on a one-on-one level, feel free to also send me a message. The law of attraction says that we don't get what we want, we get what we are, because everything in the universe is energy. And the energy actually has a frequency attached to it. It means that it vibrates at a certain levels. Now, our desires actually vibrate at a certain levels as well. Okay, so if we really want something, we must attune our energy to the frequency of the desired thing. Okay, we must actually be a match to what we really want. Okay, so the first tip to realize if you really want to manifest more into your lives and if you really want to get more into your life is change your energy. How do we change our energy? Well, we eat healthier, we meditate more, we step into action, we go within. Okay, these are all tools that you can actually use in order to change your frequency and your energy. So it's in essence, it's about the energy that you have. Okay, what do you vibrate as today? Because your vibration is created by your thoughts, feelings, and actions. My suggestion is try as much as possible to actually take care of your inner world and get to actually express love out there. I believe that love is actually the highest vibrational frequency in the universe. And the more that we actually operate as love, is the more that we will actually raise our energy into a higher state of consciousness. Okay, now the second tip, if you really want to use the law of attraction and get what you want in life, you must actually get detached from the outcome. I believe that so many of us, we want things and we are actually attached to the final product. Okay, we are attached to the destination. But what we are forgetting in essence is the fact that it's about the journey. It's about staying detached. It's about being okay if it happens. And it's also about being okay if it doesn't happen. Okay, because when you realize that everything that is happening in your life is actually happening regarding everything that you need, you will actually release the resistance. So my suggestion is look around yourself and realize that everything that is happening in your life, internally and externally, is happening exactly as it is meant to happen. So in essence, life is actually not happening to you, it is happening for you. Okay, and when you have this mindset, you realize that you can actually accomplish so many things into your life. Okay, now the third tip, if you really want to use the law of attraction and get what you want, is realizing that you don't only manifest through action. Okay, you actually manifest through your state of consciousness. What is your state of consciousness today? Okay, what is your energy today? How do you vibrate as today? Because I believe that we also create while we are not doing action. Okay, we are also creating with the visions that we have. We also create with the visualizations that we have. Okay, we also create with our perception. We also create with the state of forgiveness. We also create with the state of the heart center. We also create through love. So realize that it's not always about action, but action at some point is actually necessary. If you really want to manifest, you also need to step into action. Okay, so guys, realize that again, everything in the universe is actually energy, and we attract in our lives based on the energy that we have. Okay, now yes, habits have the power to actually shift your energy in a different way. Meditation has the power to actually shift your energy in a different way. Forgiveness has the power to actually shift your energy in a different way. So it's all about a state of consciousness. It's about who you are in the present moment. So my suggestion is, if you really want something different into your life, change who you are. Okay, change who you are and change your energy, because you attract based on what your thoughts, feelings, and actions are. Okay, so yes, there are principles in the universe and there are laws in which this universe actually operates. As within, so without. as above, so below. What you are experiencing inside is what you will actually attract on the outside as well. Okay, so if you really want more things in your life, another tip would be gratefulness. Okay, if you are not grateful for what you already have, it would actually be harder for you to get more. So it's about gratefulness. Appreciate what you have. Look around yourself and realize that you already have everything that you need. Okay, realizing this will actually increase your energy in such a way that you will actually attract a different outcome into your life. So guys, yes, the law of attraction is real, and we manifest into our lives what we are actually a match to. Another tip would be question the matrix. Okay, question the matrix and get to have your own vision, because I believe that we live in a society that is actually programming us. I've seen that I was programmed when in my past by society, but what I'm realizing is the fact that if I have my own vision and if I have my own way of expressing myself, then I get to actually have the ability to create my own reality with the actions, thoughts and feelings that I have. So it's all about a game. It's all about a game of self-expression. It's about giving and receiving, the constant exchange. Okay, so yeah guys, this is today's message about the law of attraction and manifestation. Realize that needing nothing brings you everything. If you are okay if it manifests, that's good. If you are okay if it doesn't manifest, that's also good. Okay, so be detached and see what happens, because I realize that everything that is happening is actually happening for us. Okay, if we are surrendering to our spirit, if we are surrendering to our state of consciousness, then we cannot go wrong. Okay guys, so this is today's message about manifestation. This is how to actually begin to let go and actually begin to trust the universe. Realize that it's not your job to make it happen, it's your job to allow it to happen. It's your job to actually welcome it into your own reality, into your own life. Guys, thanks for watching, and like always, see you on what's coming up next. Namaste to you, and this was today's message about the law of attraction and manifestation. Hope this message resonates with you, and if it does resonate, feel free to subscribe, leave a comment. I love you so much. Much peace, and see you on what is coming up next. Bye bye.